Hey guys, we're on the 7th day of September. I'm gonna walk across this newly built pedestrian bridge here in Shakopee, going across 169 here, up at FedEx. But it's really nice, brand new, really kind of cool. We're walking over here. So they just built this one. They built another one out in St. Paul off of 94. So it's a lot of people can bike on it. I think there's on the other side over there's an area you can bike over in Shakopee, but it's nice, brand spanking new. A lot of biking areas over here. One of those things, you know, I got a pedestrian bridges. Beautiful day here in September. National Fountain League kicked off Thursday night. Chicklets won, so did Idiots. But beautiful day in September. Down here in Shakopee, you've got casino down there. You've got Valley Fair. My nephew's in town playing some baseball down in Bemidji. But yeah, you can't tell. Kind of difficult one to get to a residential area and find it. Got lucky and asked somebody. You can tell there's a bike trail. So, Shakopee, big FedEx facility over here, but might go one up tomorrow up at Brooklyn Park. It goes over 610. But you see it cruising. At Canterbury Park's up there, Mystic Lake. Walmart's over there, full 9 yards. But brand spanking new. So kids can cross the highway without getting killed. There's a lot of biking trails over there. We bought our furniture over there. Concrete looks good. No cracking yet. It's nice. They're building one off of 94 in St. Paul. I'll get that one probably next year. There's another one down from that one that I saw. So I'll get a chance to do them both or one at a time, whatever it may be. But tomorrow, Brooklyn Park, probably get off early. But big FedEx facility over here. Yeah, it's at night. At night, it's all lit up. It's kind of cool. So, I was in Wisconsin yesterday and I got 2-pack cigars for $12 instead of $15 a piece. So, Peterson. It's nice. I'm thinking about Mystic Lake Casino. It's real easy to get to. Unlike in California, like in San Diego, way back in the reservation, the best one in town, way up north, is Black Bear Casino. It's right on the highway. Hinckley to work on the exit, so they're kind of getting shafted. But yeah, you can tell it's a big facility here. I could have went over there and parked way down there, but I wasn't gonna walk all the way down. Nice. But yeah, my obsession with pedestrian bridges, a couple more I want to get after, but I might go later on. I want to go down to the Mississippi and explore down by there, by University of Minnesota. It would drop me off, so yeah, let's go back up, get across, get back to convertible. My nephew's in town in Minnetonka. It's nice, he did a nice job on it. Hopefully we get some snow this winter. We need some cold weather this winter. 2024, 2025, we need to kill the weeds in Shady Oak. You saw some of the snorkeling videos. The weeds are way too thick out there, so. But yeah, it's a beautiful day to video. I'm on the Action 4, which I get more videos out of. I like my GoPro, but this is my go-to one. Really like it when I want to do a lot of videos. The biking video was all done on one battery, even though I had two. Because I like my GoPro 10. They have better batteries. DJI does. One of these days I can get out my drone. Heading over to Canterbury. The tribe owned it for a while. They were doing some stuff with them, but it didn't work out. I know they want to get gambling done. People go to Iowa and Wisconsin to gamble in the National Fix-It League and wherever else, but sooner or later they'll get it done. I mean, I enjoy it, but I like football too much and golf too much, losing a lot of money on it. But it's nice. I like it. Beautiful day. I mean, it's gorgeous. Little breeze, kind of the high desert kind of behavior. You can tell you can bike all the way from 83 down here, and where those kids were up here on the bridge, they're biking with their friends. They can bike all the way over there. That's really good. Nice. Solid. We'll see how this concrete, as long as it doesn't crack like the other ones you've seen before. You can tell down there. I don't know if they plow this. The trail behind my house, they plow that in the winter time, so people can go do stuff. A lot of people take that to work. That's nice when you go to Wisconsin, you get a chance to get cigars for half the price. Here they gouge you in Minnesota. In Minneapolis, if you want to have menthol cigarettes, they get all bitter. Yeah, people, when they have a golf tournament, they call it Shakopee. They can't pronounce it. It's Shakopee. One of the bigger Native American casinos around. So, yeah, I parked the old beast right over there. Walk over here. Taking pictures from my calendar. I might bike the other trail, the opposite direction, all the way to Chaska. I did the other one you guys saw, all the way to the old Mighty Mighty Mo. Adopt a park. I can go on there, 5 tons. Not cool. Nice little bridge. Fall's heading away, you guys. So, anyways. So, got some nice stuff over there. Very nice. Anyways, guys, so hope you enjoyed another obsession pedestrian bridge. See y'all later.